All right, well, welcome to the 7th of 8 videos, and what we're going to be doing during this particular video is we're going to be looking at the quizzes. And so here's the pertinent section from the course syllabus. We've got 14 chapters in our most excellent textbook. That means we're going to have 14 quizzes, one per chapter. Each quiz covers one chapter. How crazy is that? It also covers the mandatory reading that is out there. So it'll cover, for example, in chapter 1, the HIPAA paper and the Parker paper. So all of those additional readings are in fact graded and will be a component for the quizzes. Of those 14 quizzes, I dropped the 2 lowest scores. It does that automatically. If you wonder why the first and second quiz are being dropped, initially it's because it drops the 2 lowest, and when you've only taken 2 quizzes, it'll drop the first 2. But as you move into the course, don't worry about it. It'll start picking the system automatically whatever the lowest quizzes are out of the 14. The quizzes normally have 10 questions or less, so the maximum is 10 questions. Those questions are all true, false, multiple choice, multiple select, or matching questions, okay? The quiz is a one-time, 1-hour event. It is open book, open notes, open web, but closed collaboration. So you're not working with others on this, but you're free to use your course textbook. You're free to use your notes to go back and look at the PowerPoint presentation, these audio movies, and use them as a component. Once you start the quiz, you've started the quiz, and that's it. So do make sure that you've got an hour blocked for you to be able to go out and successfully complete that quiz. Also make sure that over the course of that hour, you've got sufficient power for your computing device, you've got sufficient internet, and that you have checked to make sure that whatever learning management system you're using to access the system, that learning management system is not about to go into maintenance. Because I am a kind and gentle instructor, if you have not started the quiz but missed the deadline for taking the quiz, just send me an email. I'll open it back up so you can take it. But once you start a quiz, you've started the quiz, and that is your one and only opportunity to take the quiz. So you do have to take the quizzes, of course, during the course of the semester. All right, well, I think that summarizes preparation for the quizzes. If I were you, I would look through the PowerPoint to get a kind of broad overview of what is in the course material. I'd then go and read the course textbook, and then look at the YouTube movies that kind of summarize the high points of the textbook. As I'm doing that, I would be marking in the book or marking in my notes what particular questions might the professor ask that could be formed into a true, false, multiple choice, multiple select, or matching question. And then I think you'll be well prepared for that particular quiz. All right, well, this concludes the 7th of 8 videos looking at Chapter 1. This particular video focused on quizzes. The next video will focus on doing well on the final exam and the midterm. Good luck studying, and see you in the next video.